ongoing thing.
NOTAMs, aircraft size restrictions in effect. Advise on initial contact. You have information Bravo. Chicago Midway Airport, Addis information Bravo, time 1810 Zulu, wind 300 at 14 gust 26, visibility 10, temperature 7, dew point 2, altimeter 2978. Remarks, intersection departures allowed, landing runways 31 right and 31 center, comma, departing runways 31 right, 31 left and 31 center. NOTAMs, aircraft size restrictions in effect. Advise on initial contact. You have information Bravo.
Kilo Lima Mike 292, pushback approved.
Pushback approved. Kilo Lima Mike 292.
Chicago Midway Ground, Emirates 238 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Bravo.
Chicago Midway Ground, American 122, ready for pushback with information Bravo.
American 122, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, American 122.
Chicago Midway Ground. Kilo Lima Mike 292, ready to taxi with information Bravo.
Emirates 238 Heavy, aircraft is too large for this airport. Kilo Lima Mike 292, taxi to runway 31 right, contact tower when ready.
Chicago Midway Ground, Porter 1523, ready to taxi to runway 31 right with information Bravo.
Taxiing to runway 31 right. Kilo Lima Mike 292.
Porter 1523, taxi to runway 31 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 31 right, Porter 1523.
Chicago Midway Ground, Nordwind Airlines, ready for pushback with information Bravo.
Porter 1523, give way to aircraft ahead. Nordwind Airlines, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, Nordwind Airlines.
Chicago Midway Ground, American 122, ready to taxi with information Bravo.
American 122, taxi to runway 31 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 31 right, American 122.
Chicago Midway Ground, Nordwind Airlines, ready to taxi with information Bravo.
Nordwind Airlines, taxi to runway 31 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 31 right, Nordwind Airlines.
Thank you. Good day, Porter 1523.
Chicago Midway Ground, Southwest 302, ready for pushback with information Bravo, requesting runway 31 right. Southwest 302, pushback approved, expect runway 31 right. Pushback approved, Southwest 302. Border 1523, frequency change approved, good day. American 122, runway 31 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 31 right, American 122.
Chicago Midway Tower, Nordwind Airlines, ready for takeoff at runway 31 right, departing east.
Nordwind Airlines, runway 31 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 31 right, Nordwind Airlines.
American 122, requesting departure to the east.
Foxtrot Lima Oscar, number 1, runway 22 right, cleared for the option. American 122, departure to the east is approved.
Southwest 1747, request frequency change. Number 1, cleared for the option. Runway 22 right, Foxtrot Lima Oscar.
American 122, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change approved American 122, good day.
Southwest 1747, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change approved Southwest 1747, good day. Thank you, good day.
Northwind Airlines, frequency change approved, good day. Chicago Midway Tower, Southwest 302, ready for takeoff at runway 31 right, departing.
Frequency change approved Nordwind Airlines, good day.
Southwest 302, line up and wait runway 31 right. Line up and wait runway 31 right, Southwest 302. 0713, ready for takeoff at runway 31 right, departing straight out.
Chicago Midway Tower, Alaska 2903, ready for takeoff at runway 31 right, departing straight out.
Alaska 2903, hold short at runway 31 right.
9,400 feet, inbound for landing with information Bravo, requesting runway 4 left. Number 2, clear to land, runway 4 left, AC 4571. X-ray Yankee, number 1, runway 4 right, clear to land. Bravo Alpha Victor Alpha 126, continue inbound.
Number 1, clear to land, runway 4 right, X-ray Yankee.
Continuing inbound, Bravo Alpha Victor Alpha 126.
Number 3, cleared to land, runway 4 left, American 721.
United 899 Heavy, runway 4 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 4 left, United 899 Heavy.
Newark Liberty Tower, Envoy 668, ready for takeoff at runway 4 left, departing west. Envoy 668, line up and wait runway 4 left. Line up and wait runway 4 left, Envoy 668.
Newark Liberty Tower, United 744 Heavy is 18 nautical miles to the east of 8,000 feet, inbound for landing with information Bravo, requesting runway 4 right.
Newark Liberty Tower, Alpha Foxtrot Kilo Lima Mike 114 is 24 nautical miles to the west at 10,100 feet, inbound for landing with information Bravo, requesting runway 4 right.
Alpha Foxtrot Kilo Lima Mike 114, enter left base runway 4 left. Number 4, traffic to follow is on left base. Newark Liberty Tower, Infinite Flight 265, ready for takeoff at runway 4 left, departing north. United 744 Heavy, enter right downwind runway 4 right. Number 2, traffic to follow is on right base.
Enter left base, runway 4 left, behind the traffic on left base. Alpha Foxtrot Kilo Lima Mike 114.
Envoy 668, runway 4 left, cleared for takeoff.
Newark Liberty Tower, Mike Sierra Whiskey India Foxtrot Tango is 31 nautical miles to the west at 12,500 feet, inbound for landing with information Bravo.
Infinite Flight 265, hold short of runway 4 left. Holding short runway 4 left, Infinite Flight 265. Mike Sierra Whiskey India Foxtrot Tango make a left 360 for spacing.
Making a left 360, Mike Sierra Whiskey India Foxtrot Tango.
Newark Liberty Tower, United 7430, ready for takeoff at runway 11, departing straight out. United 7430, line up and wait runway 11. Line up and wait runway 11, United 7430.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 4 right, X-ray Yankee.
Newark Liberty Tower, Infinite Flight 265, ready for takeoff at runway 4 left, departing north. AC 4571, maintain best forward speed. American 721, maintain slowest practical speed. Maintain best forward speed, AC 4571.
Maintain slowest practical speed, American 721.
Infinite Flight 265, avoid sending duplicate messages.
United 899 Heavy, request frequency change.
Turn left, contact ground on the taxiway. I'm sorry, Infinite Flight 265. United 7430, runway 11, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 11, United 7430.
Wilco, Nordwine Airlines.
United 899 Heavy, frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved. United 899 Heavy, good day.
Newark Liberty Ground, Nordwine Airlines, request taxi to parking.
Taxiing to runway 4 left, United 445.
Holding position, Tango Romeo Uniform Mike Papa.
Newark Liberty Ground, Velocity 1.
Nordwind Airlines, taxi to parking.
Taxiing to parking, Nordwind Airlines.
Velocity 1, hold position.
Holding position, Velocity 1.
Newark Liberty Ground, FedEx 123, ready for pushback with information Bravo, requesting runway 4 left. FedEx 123, pushback approved, expect runway 4 left. Pushback approved, FedEx 123. Holding position, Skaybird 1. Newark Liberty Ground, India Foxtrot Sierra Foxtrot Golf 035, ready to taxi to runway 4 left with information Bravo.
Newark Liberty Ground, Swiss 242 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 11. Newark Liberty Ground, Tango Romeo Uniform Mike Papa, ready for pushback with information Bravo. Newark Liberty Ground, Southwest 750, ready for pushback with information Bravo.
Newark Liberty Ground, United 420, ready to taxi to runway 11 with information Bravo.
Newark Liberty Ground, United 964, ready for pushback with information Bravo.
Newark Liberty Ground, FedEx 123, ready to taxi to runway 4 left with information Bravo. India Foxtrot Sierra Foxtrot Golf 035, taxi to runway 4 left, contact tower when ready. Newark Liberty Ground, AC 4571, request taxi to parking. Swiss 242 Heavy, hold position. Taxiing to runway 4 left, India Foxtrot Sierra Foxtrot Golf 035. AC 4571, taxi to parking. X-Ray Yankee, taxi to parking.
Taxiing to parking, X-Ray Yankee.
Pushback approved, United 964.
Tango Romeo Uniform Mike Papa, hold position.
Newark Liberty Ground, Air Shuttle 393, ready for pushback with information Bravo, requesting runway 4 left.
India Foxtrot Sierra Foxtrot Golf 035, please check tutorials on the forum for assistance using ATC instructions.
Holding position, Air Shuttle 393.
FedEx 123, taxi to runway 4 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 4 left, FedEx 123. Southwest 750, hold position.
Holding position, Southwest 750.
United 1666, pushback approved.
X-Ray Yankee, request permission to cross runway 2 to right.
Pushback approved, United 1666.
Newark Liberty Ground, United 964, ready to taxi with information Bravo.
X-Ray Yankee, request permission to cross runway 2 to right.
United 964, taxi to runway 4 left, contact tower when ready. X-Ray Yankee, hold short of runway 4 left.